y'all, so today I'm doing a retwist on my boyfriend's hair, and I'm just showing you guys the things that I'll be using. Okay, so I like to first start off by spraying his hair with water because I like retwisting on damp hair, not too wet, and also you don't want it dry. Okay. Okay, and now I'm just taking an oil that I got from my local beauty supply store, and you can see I'm having a lot of trouble trying to get out the tube. Like, I should have warmed this up beforehand, but okay, we're gonna make it work. So after I put it all in there, I just smooth it out, make sure his scalp is nice and moist, and his hair, just to make sure that there's like minimum to no flaking at all, because his scalp can get a little dry. Okay, now you guys see me retwisting the first lock, and I'm going to show you guys from a different angle just so that you can see what I'm doing. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I used very little gel. I don't like using too much because I feel like that leads to too much buildup, and buildup is not good, okay? Okay guys, so we're almost done, so that means it's time to figure out how we're going to style this. So I usually do 2-strand twists, but I wanted to try something different. So I was like, okay, let's try 4-strand twists. And guys, let me tell you, it turned out great. I mean, look, he loved it, I loved it. We're both happy. Okay.